Now I'm sure you guys notice this isn't your average standard two-wheel drive LSD Max. Jim, would you mind just taking me through a few of the extras that your company provides as an aftermarket option?
When you look at this vehicle, it's a great looking ute from factory. Of course, it's got a whole lot of extras on it. Starting with a custom decal upgrade pack and badging set. The vehicle takes on a whole new look. We've put a new body kit on it. So you have the spoiler at the front. You have a full set of flares on the vehicle. And as we move around here, it's got the new RVE 20-inch wheels and Maxxis Razr all-terrain tyres. So we've got all the roof racks and attachments to hold all your recreation and work gear. And of course we've got the RVE extended sports bar here, all made out of aluminium and Australian standard certified to take up to 150 kilos. It'll take any roof rack attachment, all your work gear as well. And it's sitting on top of an electric shutter lid. So this opens and closes to keep your gear safe. And inside we have the all-American bedrug liner. And of course what RVE is mostly known for is our leather interiors. We've taken this original seat on this D-Max to an upgraded sports seat interior. It has custom designed leather inserts with a CNC punched perforation, embossed logos. And here we have the upgraded sports steering wheel. We take the original steering wheel, add some extra shape to it, wrap it in new perforated Napa leather, and it all gets hand stitched together.